Good morning. This is the second lecture of KG class. Again, we are using here a and an. We already read the use of vowels. It is all similar to previous page. Just a couple of words are different. Here also the use of a and an. So let's start. A quilt, a robe, a snail, a tap, an umbrella, a violin, a wall, an X-ray. Why we are using here? Because X is not vowel and we are using an X-ray because X gives a sound of A. X. X-ray. So we are using here an X-ray. Next, a yak, a zebra. We are reading again. A yak, a tap, a snail, a violin, an umbrella, an X-ray, a wall, a rope, a quilt, a zebra. Put these words in alphabetical orders. So we should start the letter A. But here is no A. We didn't find the A. So let's start the word starting with B. Bed, then cow, egg, because here is we didn't find the D, so next word will be egg. Like this, F is not here, so grapes. Next, HIJKL, didn't find, so M, man. Next word will be man, and so on. Here will be tap and window. So you should write in your notebook according to alphabetical: bed, cow, egg, grapes, man, tap and window.